So somebody just asked me how to get to Kirinyaga Road from Thika Road. Now, if you're coming from Thika Road, you have to exit at Fig Tree Ngara. Now you take the exit lane that takes you to Globe Roundabout. Na niulize hii building, what is hii building ni inakuanga nini? I think this is the first time naona hii mlango iko open here. Yeah, I don't know what is it for, by the way. So this is the way you go. And when you get here, because you know hapa always kuna jam, it's always kama unaingia tao masaa ya saa 8 saa 7 huko juu hapa hivi kuna kuwa na jam all the time. Na hapa tell your passengers or passenger princess to keep their phones away or else zitatembea na ufunge vioo, by the way. So get to Globe Roundabout. I don't know what they've been building here for years. Somebody should tell us. Unachukua the outer lane of the Globe Roundabout, because in the next few meters you'll be taking your first exit. So it's not the one that is after these stalls, because I do not think you can. I think you can enter there. That leads you to a parking space that is up here that I don't know who manages. Anyone who has an idea can tell us. So as you can see, this guy is trying to get there, but this guy, the Somalis are trying to solicit him to buy whatever from these shops. So yeah, so not this one, but the next exit. That's where you get to Kirinyaga Road. That will be the beginning of Kirinyaga Road from there. And yep, so take the next exit. And one thing nataka kuongea kuhusu hawa watu wanachukua outer lane na wanatusumbua hapa kuingia. Ukijua unaenda Kirinyaga Road, weka kwenye outer lane, utakuwa lane ya katikati bana, mabasi na matatu. So this is Kirinyaga Road for you. Ukiingia tu hivi ndivyo inakaa, but the state right now of the road is pathetic. As you can see, shops are lined up all over. Miguu ndo ziko huku. But one thing I want to caution you against the guys who keep asking you, come follow you, unataka nini, we can fix your things. Beware of some of those people. I said some of those people watakukaribisha you Nairobi, my friend, but there are some of them who are very good. So ukikuja hapa, wewe umefanya research yako, whatever you are coming to buy, kama ni engine, kama ni spare part yoyote ya gari, shops ziko huku. Na kuna watu wanafanya kazi fiti sana, wanauzia watu vitu huku mzuri. But one of the things you have to understand that this is Nairobi. So some people will take advantage of you. Mimi niko na story ya hii mtaa. When I first bought my first car, nilikaribishwa hapa Nairobi bana. Can you imagine, nilikuja kununua springs za kuraise gari yangu because ilikuwa kadudu na kalikuwa chini, my friend. Hizo vitu nilinunua 32,000, my friend. I can't believe it. Hadi saa hii wasiamini. I do not believe that vitu zinauzanga 1,500 moja. I was supposed to use a maximum of 7,000, 10,000 max because of labor and whatnot, but I ended up using 32,000, my friend. You don't kukaribishwa properly. But anyway, now huku shops ziko all over. This is now the other part. Ukishavuka the second nini, Shell ile ya kuingia pale Grogon huko chini. But huko kuwa careful sana, by the way. You don't just pop in there. So this is the way, actually almost the end, where Kirinyaga Road sasa gets to Racecourse Road. So come here. A lady was asking, be careful. You gotta be extra careful. So you can always hear stories za watu wanasemanga ati nileta gari hapa, baadaye naona iko na mechanics 15. That is the situation. And unaletaga gari hapa sijui inuliwe, unaenda home bila muffler, catalytic converter. Some people here are like, ruthless. They watakukaribisha.